Today we are going to discuss about some pivot table tricks. So let's jump in quickly. You can insert a pivot table on your data by pressing Alt N V T. That's a shortcut to create a pivot table. I'm going to create a pivot table here for you so I can share some tricks in order to visualize the data. Now, you could see the segment category and the subcategory with the count of category here. If you wish to convert this data into the tabular form, go to this design and go to this report layout and this one, show in tabular form. You will have your data like this. Now you can see there are some rows which shows you a total of these numbers. But let's suppose if you do not want them, go to the design tab again and go to the first option, which is subtotal. Click on do not show subtotals and here you go. In the same way you can remove this column, which is grand total, by clicking on offer rows and column. Now if you pay attention, just before this consumer, corporate and home sign, you could see a minus sign. If you wish to remove it, go to this pivot table analyze and click on this plus minus button. Right now it's already pressed, so I'm going to click it once and you can see all that minus sign has been disappeared. This field at the right side, which you can see where you have this category, filter, column, values and row, this is called field list. Let's suppose if you click somewhere else apart from the pivot table, the field list will disappear from the screen. In order to bring this back, go to this pivot table again. You will see this pivot table field. If in case you're not getting this field, you can use this option of field list and you will get this again. I hope you learned something new. If you like the video, do like and comment.